Today we did a biopsy on a pig's foot, skin biopsy. We basically used both a derma knife and we also used a punch tool to get into the skin and just observe it.
At my school we don't have medicine-based classes, we have biology. I love learning how to suture, the dissections, whereas in biology I only did 2 dissections the whole year. We did 2 dissections and suturing all in one evening.
I'm hoping to go into plastic surgery. That's what I would love to do. I also know it's competitive. Katie told us it's just as equally as competitive as dermatology.
Yeah, hearing what she said, the first time she applied for residency, she didn't get it, and she tried again, and she did get it. That's reassuring to me, knowing that if I don't get it my first time, I still have to go at it and don't quit just because the first time it didn't work.
Personally, for me, hands-on stuff, it's just because it's like right there in front of you and you can do it for yourself. When a teacher's teaching you something, sometimes you don't retain all the information they're doing. So when they're there and they're actually explaining it to you, you understand the concept a little bit better.